Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. I was going to do a garden makeover video this week, but unfortunately the weather has been rubbish for about the last 2 weeks. It's been really windy, lots of rain, so I haven't actually had the chance to get out in the garden. But today has been a lovely day, so I've been filming at the garden centre for you, so you can see all the beautiful plants at the nursery. So many. I mean, it was just so amazing. I would have bought loads and loads and loads, but I had to curb myself in because I don't really want loads and loads of plants to look after. I'm very much enjoying quite a bit of faux on the patio this year. So less watering, less worrying about looking after them. But I do like to have some real plants because I do love to see the bees and I like them coming round and feeding on the nectar, because sometimes I feel like a bit mean when they come and they see all the lovely coloured faux plants and land on, and there's like, oh, there's nothing there to eat. So let's have a look round the garden centre, and I will pick a few things up, so I'll show you at the end what I've got. But hopefully the weather will pick up and I'll be able to get out in the garden and plant them all up and then show you what I've done on the patio, because I have made a little bit of a change this year after showing you, I don't know if it was last week's video or the week before, where I showed you kind of the last couple of years and how a lot of it was very similar. So I've tried to make a change this year, which I'm quite excited about. So let's have a look around the garden centre, all the beautiful plants together, and then stay to the end and I'll show you what I picked up. No trip to the garden centre is complete without a quick pop in the cafe. So I'm just polishing off a flat white and a lovely toasted tea cake, and then I'll get all the plants home and share them with you. Okay, here's my plant haul then on the patio, ready to get planted up. So, of course, some classic geraniums. I do love the white and the light pink, a bit better than red. There's some lovely buds on that one, so there's still plenty to come. Those look like they're going to get quite big as well. I am a fiend for lavender, so I've got a blue spear type, and that was quite a nice big one. So that was one sort of already out, and then I did get a couple of others. A tray of begonias, because those are always great for the patio as well. And then I got this teeny tiny little lavender here. It's a Hidcote, and I also got another one. What was that one called? It's a Munstead. So I'll be able to plant those, and they smell amazing, all of them, and they've all got slightly different scent to them as well. So I absolutely love smelly plants as well. And then this is I'm not sure how you say it, osteospermum. And what I love about that is the lovely white flower, but the fabulous blue in the centre. And again, loads of buds on that as well. So that's going to come up great. I've already got some rosemary in one of the pots, so I've got some nice fragrance there as well. So I will be planting those up. Maybe get a few new pots just to dot around the patio, like I said, to have some real plants as well as some faux plants, and come back soon. Hopefully the weather will pick up and I'll be able to arrange it all on the patio so you can see how lovely it looks, and then hopefully I'll be able to enjoy it sitting out and having a lovely coffee. So as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So until next week, take care. Bye-bye.